Hi, welcome to Mikey Toons. Today we're going to draw Cool Breeze. So grab your markers and let's begin. I'm going to start at the face. So I'm going to start here and we're just going to make a downwards curve. Then from there, I'm going to divide it. And then inside, I'm going to make the goggles. There we go. Right on top, we're going to do the upper part of it and connect it. Then on the ears, and then on the side we're going to do the forehead and then the back part of his head. Underneath the goggles, a smile. Now I'm going to make a series of downwards curve for his hair and just connect it right there. And now I'm going to use this as a reference. We're going to go down and we're going to draw his neck. Now just below his face, I'm going to draw a thumb. And then we're going to go to the knuckles. We're going to bring it back like this. And then I'll just draw his fingers right there. Now he's wearing a glove, so I'm just drawing a little glove, back side of the glove, and just do short lines to indicate his arms. Now I'm going to start here and I'm going to do this shoulder. I'm going to go here from the neck and I'll just draw a shoulder area, and then we're going to just make a downwards curve for the front part of his torso. Just extend that line and another line down. Right here we're going to draw a little V, and we're going to jump over and do the other shoulder. So you're just going to draw sort of a box shape and you're going to stop, leaving a gap in between. And you just bring it back like this. You're going to finish the shoulder there. Now again, I'm going to do the fist. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to draw the fingers. I'm drawing it really big. There we go. From there, I'm drawing a thumb. Now I can just connect this. And there's the other arm and the hand. From there, I'm going to go down and I'm just going to draw a little in the back and the buttocks area. Can we divide that? And we'll just divide it here as well. Now it's time for the leg. I'm just going to do the upper part of the leg with a kneecap. Then from there, you're just going to draw the calf area and the shin. Then again the calf and the shin. On this side, the other leg with the knee, calf going down, and the back side of his legs. Now we're going to draw shoes. I'm going to draw a little line going down, bring it down. Now I'm just going to draw a big over like this, and then from there I'll draw the side of the shoe and just the upper part there, and I'm just going to divide this as well there. Maybe just extend it a bit. Now from here I'm going to do the same. The heel, front part of the shoe, and then we're going to draw the sole, and maybe just a straight right there. Good, and there's our picture. Now you can check my picture out and try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye.